Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making your phone the internet source. This is the only practical hotspot for the switch. First, enable your phone's mobile hotspot and choose a clear SSID and strong password so other devices won't hog bandwidth. Once done, take your switch to System Settings, then Internet and Internet Settings to start scanning. You do this now because the switch can't create its own outbound Wi-Fi hotspot. It can only join one, so your phone becomes the network gateway. Now connect. On the switch, pick your phone's SSID from the scan networks and enter the hotspot password exactly. You should use a short, memorable passcode for speed, but secure enough to prevent random joins. After joining, run the switch's internet connection test to verify NAT type and latency. This matters for multiplayer and downloads. If the test passes, you can launch online games or eShop. If not, change phone hotspot band or restart both devices to refresh assignments. Finish by optimizing and learning a key troubleshooting tip. Move your phone in direct line of sight to the switch, and where possible, switch the hotspot to 5 GHz for less congestion. You'll see improved latency. Once done, pause large downloads to conserve mobile data and check NAT type for multiplayer. If you lose connection, toggle airplane mode on the switch and reconnect to clear a stale IP. That simple step fixes most issues because it forces a new DHCP lease from your phone hotspot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.